Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are facing Discord error code 3002, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, go to the search bar and search your setting. Click on it and go to the privacy and security. Now scroll down and go to the microphone. Now microphone access should be enabled and let apps access your microphone should be enabled. After doing this step, check the problem. If it is persists, then try next. Click on the system and then go to the sounds. Now choose a device for the speaking or recording. Click on it and check the volume. Set this and check the problem. If it persists, then again go to the search bar and search your device manager. Click on it and uh, go to the audio inputs and output. Double click on it and right click on microphone array and update the driver. After doing this step, check the problem. If the error persists, then next is open Discord app and check the microphone is muted or not. If it muted, then unmute this and check the problem. So by this way you can fix this problem. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you friend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.